Yo, welcome to AFB, boy. You know what it is? This is at 40. I'm trying to get it to the ceiling, baby. I feel ya. To the ceiling, baby. To the ceiling, let's go. You ain't heard? You ain't heard? This is CPA Strength. I am the strongest licensed CPA in the state of Florida. You know what's happening. You know what's up. What is going on? You're like, who is this guy? Yo, he's CPA Strength. He's strong as work. Anyways, I am the strongest CPA in Florida. Let's go. I got this thing called Accounting for Beginners. That's the classic series. It's my series. It has my DC Adler into it. Let's go. You're watching. I'm into it. If you want to watch ones previously, here is the playlist. Best playlist in the world. It's Saturday morning. I'm fired up, boy. I got a work email at like 5:22 in the morning this morning that I was awake for, that I already slept the previous night for, so I'm fired up, man. I'm trying. The 30s was like a little bit of come up. I'm 40 now. These next 10 years, stay with me, you'll see. How's the hair? The hair's looking like trashola. Accounting for Beginners, number 40. Inventory. Journal entry purchase. These next couple, we're going to work on inventory. Inventory, inventory, inventory. Types of inventory, how you value the inventory. Journal entries for inventory. Different ways of valuing inventory. This one is just going to be really what I thought to be a very basic leading in journal entry. The only inventory that I've done before was, I believe, AFB number 11, which was FIFO and LIFO, which I will get into in the next couple of videos. And I've looked back at those videos. I don't know what the heck was going on there. Can we just say trash? You know, at the time I thought it was good. Just like at the time now, I think this video is decent. Although, when I watch myself back, I'm like, what a cringe. But I think this is decent. So, you just gotta keep practicing. You gotta keep on doing homework problems to get better at accounting. I gotta keep making videos and get in front of the camera to make myself better in front of the camera. I had to hit off the tee a million times to have a decent baseball swing. So we're gonna do a basic inventory at number 40. 40, I am 40 right now. Can you believe it? 40, I am over the hill. One of the top 4 favorite rappers I have is E40. Housekeeping. This is DC Adler. This is my mapping system. I've already helped thousands of people pass their accounting tests, get jobs because they didn't sound like an idiot at their interview. Anyways, DC Adler. Debit, credit, asset, draw, expense, liability, equity, revenue. This is my mapping system. It works. Boom. Now we're hopping off into inventory. So we want to, let's think about this here. Inventory is an asset. Alright, you're like, I have a journal entry with inventory, or I see inventory somewhere, we're talking about inventory. It is an asset. This is nice. I did a video on assets a few videos ago. In the classic series, of course, so you can go to the playlist and look. But pretty much, I believe the definition was a resource in your business to help you acquire more resources. So it's like, I got my chippers, Chipper Jones, ship it boy, Chipper Jones. I got my chippers. These chippers are going to help me get more chippers. So, inventory is an asset, so inventory is going to be here. So that's what an inventory is. Inventory is an asset. Widgets is what I'm going to use for inventory. And the thing about the widget, everyone's like, oh, widget's this, a widget's that. No, a widget's a widget, okay? Listen, people, I'll let you do whatever you want, say whatever you want. A widget's a freaking widget, man. It's supposed to, like, look, This is a widget. This is a widget. Pretty much anything that's a tangible item, I will call a widget. See, inventory is a tangible, and this is my definition of inventory because I found trash definitions that I thought were trash on the internet. So, what's inventory? Inventory is a tangible, and tangible can be seen or touched. Inventory is a tangible good held for resale. So it's something that you can hold and touch. This is my inventory. I have a bunch of these, or different values of these, and I'm calling this, no, I'm not calling this an eraser, I'm calling this a widget. The reason I'm not calling it an eraser, and for the business and for my future videos, why this is called it, why I'm calling this a widget, is because I'm gonna say I bought I bought 5 widgets, $100 per widget. And then, this is the internet, so you're gonna get people going, that's just an eraser. An eraser costs like 50 cents.
Bruh, it's a widget, man. Calm down.
So no, everything's a widget, okay? That's a widget. It's just so you can think about the mechanics of it and not get held back or stopped on that. This thing would never cost $100 because it's a widget, and it obviously does. Okay. So that's our housekeeping. So let's just do a journal entry with inventory and see what's popping. Okay. Now also in inventory, you're gonna have 2 different things: perpetual and periodic. In the next video, I'm going to go over perpetual and periodic, but for now, just know that we're going to perpetual inventory. Mostly, a lot of inventory is done perpetually, so it is more accurate. So, anyways, let's do a journal entry here for inventory, perpetual inventory. Okay, to go before we do this entry, it gets a little dicier when you are selling the inventory. We're just buying inventory right now. So I'm breaking it up into sections. So this is gonna be easy. So you're like, bought 5 widgets, 100 per widget, perpetual inventory. Perpetual inventory, right? So you're like, dude, I've never seen inventory before. I'm scared. So it's inventory. So you know they're reselling these widgets. They're gonna hold them in their warehouse, their office, until they resell the widgets. So you're like, I've never seen inventory. I'm scared. Look, don't be scared. Don't be scared of the inventory. We've already gone, you know inventory is an asset because you've got these widgets and you're going to resell these widgets for like double the money. You're just sitting on them. Buy low, sell high. That's business, right? Business. Lego, let's do this journal entry. You guys love these journal entries almost as much as me now, I'm sure. Probably not as much as me. I'm a freak. Have you ever done a journal entry in your sleep? I get a lot of people that say, DC Adler in their sleep. I think I've definitely done that. I've done journal entries in my sleep before. I'll try to get it to the ceiling, baby. Bought 5 widgets, $100 per widget. Alright. Do we have any oh, look, let's look. Let's make our... Do we have any cash? Yes. Thank goodness. We got 5 widgets at $100 per widget. That's $500. We have $500 cash. You bought. If you buy something, do you have cash coming in or going out? You have it going out if you bought something. Cash, we know cash is an asset. DC Adler is if in the positive form or if it's going up. We have cash leaving the business, so that is going to be our credit. $500. $500 cash, that's going to be leaving our business. What's going to be the debit of our journal entry? Well, what did we get? We got widgets. We got widgets. That's what we got. Okay. We spent the money over here. What did we get? We got widgets. We know widgets. We're going to resell them at a later time for more money. So it's inventory. We know inventory is an asset. Oh, and also, if you can't remember this stuff, write it down on your morning paper like you do DCA Lure, you know. That's what I would do. So, oh, we already know this is $500 because you know they always have to equal, right? You always know they have to equal. And what are you getting here? You're getting widgets. So widgets and inventory. Now all you have is widgets. So you go to your chart of accounts, and the only chart of account you have there for inventory under assets is just inventory. So you just have inventory because it's just widgets. So anyways, that's gonna be your debit. Inventory. Bought 5 widgets for $100 per widget. That's $500. So you have $500 leaving your company. That's going to be a credit for $500 cash. What's going to be your debit? Well, you know it's $500 because they always equal. And you're getting inventory. Inventory is an asset, so that's going up. So that's going to be your debit. Yo, thank you for watching once again. Happy Monday morning to you. TGIM, thank God it's Monday. Let's bust this week wide open. Let's grind. Let's go hard. You know, let's just go hard. Let's have a great week, and then the weekend relax. Spend doing things you like to do. I like to grind. Grinding is fun. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a like. Please leave a comment below. It helps the channel more than you would ever know. It lets the video reach a wider audience, and who doesn't need to know about accounting, am I right? Deuces.